Yes. Jai Hind, dear students. I'm here to give you some advice and tips for your board exams. Follow these instructions very carefully. First of all, the format of question paper. The question paper will be bilingual, Hindi and English. In political science, there are some questions who are completely horse-based questions. So, for some times, it is difficult to understand the meaning of the question. It happens only in one or two questions, and that is in the 6 marks question or the 4 marks question. So, you immediately, after reading the English version, if you are unable to understand, you take help from the Hindi version that is mentioned over there. So, when you make a combination of Hindi and English, the question becomes very clear, quickly and easily. So, try to make it a point that do not get confused in the question. You make your confusion clear, your doubt clear by reading questions. For the 6 marks question or the 4 marks question, if the statement is large, long statements are there, you break the statements, you break the question in various statements, various parts, you make the question in various parts and then try to understand which part is saying what and what is actually demand, what is actually asked in that question. Remember that. In few questions, there is information given. There is certain piece of amount of information given and then the question is asked. Sometimes what happens, few students what they do because of the exam pressure or lack of time or because of certain occasions, certain reasons, they do understand the opposite things. What? The information, they think that this is a question. Okay, so you break the question, you break the statement in various parts and try to understand what is the information mentioned and what is information they are seeking for, asking for. This is very important thing. Second is, do not tear the map from the question paper and attach it.
Ready.
Okay, fine. Now coming to the time management, that is very important, very important. And whatever time management I'm suggesting you for political science question paper, remember this. Would like to suggest you do practice on this time management. So, some of the sample papers, at least 2 to 3 sample paper at home by keeping a watch. Okay? Time management will follow like this. First of all, MCQs. There will be 16 MCQ multiple choice questions. And if you devote 1 minute for each question, that is sufficient, more than sufficient. If you devote 1 minute time for each question, there will be maximum 16 minutes. Matlab 15 minutes you will finish, but keep 20 minutes maximum. Do not cross time 20 minutes. This is the maximum time. Coming up to the next 2 questions based on the passage. Remember this, passages are very important. If you read the passage, you will get some questions answered directly. Some questions are some answers are directly mentioned in the passage, in the paragraph. But in few questions like 1 or 2, you may face difficulty where the answers will not be directly mentioned in the passage. Do not be panicked. You recall, you connect that passage with your chapter, with your content, with your topic of the book, and then try to find out answer from that. Okay? There will be 2 passages, and in each passage there will be 4 MCQs. 8 MCQs in the 2 passages. 8 MCQs, maximum 8-minute times. Reading the passages, 2 passages, and attempting answers, maximum 20 minutes. Do not cross the time 20 minutes. Fine. Then 2 marks question, there will be 4 2 marks questions, and if you devote each question 4 minutes, sorry. So there will be total 8 minutes. 4 questions, 2 minutes, it means total 16 minutes. You keep 4 minutes extra in your hand. You keep 4 minutes extra in your hand, so thus total 20 minutes. Okay? Maximum 20 minutes, do not cross the time 20 minutes. Then coming to the 4 marks question. There will be 5 questions, 4 marks each, and if you dedicate 10 minutes for each question, 10 minutes for each question, that is maximum. Total 50 minutes. try to finish it within 40 to 45 minutes. 50 minutes is the maximum. Do not cross 50 minutes in under any circumstances. Okay? But my experiences suggest that maximum 40 to 45 minutes is more than sufficient. Now coming to the 5 marks question, there will be one map based question, 5 minutes maximum. There will be one cartoon based question, picture based question, again maximum 5 minutes. 10 minutes you suppose. 15 minutes for the 2 5 marks question, picture based, that is cartoon question we call it normally, and another is a map based question, once again 5 marks, 15 minute maximum. Coming to the 6 marks question, that is very important segment. You plan, decide and devote 15 minutes, 15-minute time for each question. There will be 3 questions in the 6 marks with each internal choices, and if you devote 15-minute time, maximum 45-minute time for each question. Thus, you are able to save 10 minutes for revision, minimum 10 minutes for revision. You must do the revision. The revision is must. Fine. You must mention the relevant examples, current examples, prove it logically, produce a strong argument, do the revision. Your 180 minutes is complete. Remember this. And fine, one more thing, final thing, that you must do practice on this time management at home, at least 2 to 3 sample papers. Take care. I wish you all the very best. Remember this, political science is one of the most scoring subject. How much you expect, you score more than that. All my best wishes. Good luck.